7 interior design trends officially dead in 2026. Stop doing these.
Stop right there. Before you pick up that paintbrush or order that new sofa, you need to hear this. 2026 is officially the year we stop playing it safe. The design rules that dominated your feed for the last 5 years, they aren't just old, they are officially dating your home. I'm from ARM Interior, and today, we are calling out the 7 trends that are legally dead in 2026. If you want a home that feels like a curated masterpiece and not a 2020 time capsule, stay tuned. Let's dive in.